if you're looking for ready for occupancy unit here in Lipa City, ito yung isa sa newest listing namin dito sa The Villages at Lipa. And yung available na lot size dito is 134 square meters, corner lot, and yung floor area nito is 65 square meters. Tara, pasukin natin. So, meron tayo ditong front yard. Diyan, malalaki yung space natin. And since corner lot to, may space ka pa dito. Yan, pwede mo siyang i-utilize as your carport area. Dito siya, may space ka dyan, and pasok tayo. Ito yung door natin. So, this is made of steel. And please take note, guys, ha, na ito na talaga yung actual unit turnover. This is a ready for occupancy unit, corner lot. And ito yung magsaserve as your living or receiving area. May mga windows tayo dyan, and as well as dito. Pwedeng dito yung dining area, kaya dito kahit 4-seater para at least magkaroon ka pa rin ng space. And as well as may sink tayo dito for your kitchen. Hanggang dito yan. And meron tayo ditong ground floor powder room or ground floor toilet and bath. Yan, pwede mo yung gamitin as your toilet and bath o kaya as your powder room. And ang maganda dito is ito pa. Ito pa yung space natin for your service area. Dito sa second floor, meron tayong total of 3 bedrooms. And alam nyo ba, maganda dito sa The Villages at Lipa kasi along the highway lang to. And maganda rin yung security as well as yung community. Dito tayo. Ito yung pwedeng mag-serve as your master's bedroom. May abang tayo for your window type aircon. And may mga windows pa rin tayo dyan. May mga windows natin. Ito yung ating bedroom number 2. For our bedroom number 2, may abang pa rin naman tayo for aircon. Pwede kang maglagay dito ng iyong single size or double size bed. And then dito sa area na to, yan, may space tayo dito na pwede kang maglagay ng iyong cabinets. Yan siya. And this is our last bedroom dito sa second floor. Halos same size lang ito nung naunang bedroom. As well as meron pa rin tayo ditong space for your cabinet. And this is our common toilet and bath dito sa second floor yan. Ang laki ng common toilet and bath natin. This is your wet area. Yan siya. Yan yung wet area natin. May tiles tayo dito. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na patong ng tiles. And para sa dry area mo is meron tayo isang patong na tiles. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng brand new ready for occupancy unit dito sa Lipa City and gusto mo yung location nito dito sa The Villages at Lipa, nandyan sa description box yung details at ang aming contact numbers. Thank you for watching!